How to add a credit card to Venmo. I am going to show you how you can easily add a credit card to Venmo. Open the Venmo app. It is a light blue icon with a bold white V. You will usually find it on the home screen or in the app drawer. If you haven't installed the app yet, you can download it for free from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Before you get started, make sure your debit card has a Visa or MasterCard logo. If your bank offers a different type of debit card, it will show up and function as a credit card instead of a debit card. Credit card transactions are subject to a fee, while debit cards are not. Enter your login information and tap Sign In. If you have Touch ID enabled, you may be prompted to place your finger over the sensor to sign in. Tap the three lines menu. It is at the top left corner. Tap Settings. It is toward the bottom of the menu. Tap Payment Methods. It is the second option under the Preferences header. Then tap Add Bank or Card. It is under the Payment Methods header. A menu will expand. Now tap Card. It is the second option. Enter your debit card information. You can type the info manually or tap the camera icon to snap a photo of your card. The zip code you enter must match the billing address that is on file with your bank. Check your most recent bank statements to make sure you are using the correct zip code. You will usually find the 3-digit security code in the signature bar or on the back of the card. Tap Add. It is the blue button at the bottom of the form. This links your debit card to your Venmo account. If the card information isn't accepted, double-check the information to make sure you have entered it correctly. If you have had a recent change of address and need help adding your card, Venmo recommends contacting your bank for assistance. If you have multiple payment methods and want to set this debit card as the default, return to Settings, Payment Methods, and tap the card. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.